Welcome to everyone. The question is, a 2 cm cube of some substance has its upper face displaced by 0.15 cm by a tangential force 0.30 Newton, fixing its lower surface. Calculate the rigidity modulus of the substance that we have to determine. 4 options are given: 1 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square, 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square, 3 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square, and 0.5 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square. So let us try to draw what is said here. It is in cube. Its lower surface is completely fixed. Okay, this lower surface cannot move from its place. It is completely fixed, fixing its lower surface. Now a tangential force is applied on it, that is 0.30 Newton. Tangential force is applied on it, upper surface of it. Upper surface, it is displaced because the lower surface is fixed, so it is not displaced. So the upper surface, let us consider it is displaced from its position, and if I try to draw, then this dotted one will basically shows its displaced position. Okay, so this displacement, this much displacement is 0.15 centimeter. The length of the cube is 2 centimeter. That means this one. So if I draw a triangle, if it constitutes a triangle, I am talking about this triangle. So here it is 0.15 centimeter. Okay, and it is 2 centimeter. 0.15 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So if I say this is the theta, which is basically talking about the shear strain. So the shear strain, ACA or shear strain, which is basically denoted by theta, or we can say tan theta. And this tan theta is equal to height divided by base, or perpendicular divided by base. Perpendicular is 0.15. Base is 2. So it is also in centimeter, it is also in centimeter, so centimeter cancels out, so the shear strain have no unit. So you can say it is 15 divided by 200. It is just a number. Now we have to find it out the rigidity modulus. So what is rigidity modulus? Rigidity modulus is equal to the shear stress divided by shear strain, Force applied divided by the area on which it is applied. So it is applied on this area, this area. So we have to calculate what is the area of it, and the shear strain we have just calculated, that is theta. The force is applied 0.30 Newton. So 0.30 divided by the area. We have to calculate in meters square because it is given in meters. So centimeter, area 2 centimeter equal to, we can say it is 0.02 meter. 2 divided by 100, or you can say 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square divided by theta. Obviously this question may arise, why I am not converting this to in meter. If I convert this to in meter, there will be 10 to the power minus 2, here will be also 10 to the power minus 2, these two will cancel out, and the same quantity you will get, because the units are cancels out each other, so we need not to concern about which units are there. Obviously both of them should be of the same unit. Okay, so here it is 15 divided by 200. The calculations gives you 13 divided by 100, 0.30. 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. So I can write it on 4 into 10 to the power minus 4. It is 15 by 200, so it can be written as 200 divided by 15. So 15, this 2, these two zeros cancels out. So here is 4, 2, 2 and 4 cancels out. So it is 1 into 10 to the power plus 4. 10 to the power minus 4 goes up. 10 to the power plus 4 Newton per meter square. So answer is 1 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square. Thank you all of you.